Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these Biscoff Cheesecake cupcakes. So let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your butter, which is at room temperature, with the light brown sugar, and beat together until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. However long this takes will depend on the climate that you're in. You can then go ahead and add in your eggs, beating one at a time, mixing well in between each addition, being careful not to overmix or scramble the mixture. Then go ahead and add in your vanilla extract and just mix this in until fully incorporated. Then give the bowl a good scraping down. This is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Then you can go ahead and add in your dry ingredients apart from the Biscoff crumbs and mix these in on a medium-low speed just until a cake batter has formed. So around a minute and a half is perfect for this recipe. Then you can go ahead and add in your Biscoff crumbs and just fold them in as you're scraping down the sides and the bottom of the bowl, and this will perfectly incorporate them into the batter. You can then go ahead and fill each of the cupcake cases around 2/3 or 3/4 of the way full, and repeat the process until you have a whole tray of 12, topping up any that don't look as full as others. You're looking to get them as pretty spot on as possible. Then you can go ahead and place these into the oven and bake them off. I will leave all that information in the blog post, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out if you're interested. So for the cheesecake icing, all you need to do is place all of the ingredients apart from the whipped cream into a mixing bowl and mix everything together on a medium-high speed until it's come together and is fully combined. Then you can go ahead and add in the cream all at once and just mix on a high speed until it's fully incorporated and the mixture has thickened. That's all you need to do. It's a really simple and easy, icing to make. So once your cupcakes have been baked and fully cooled, you can then go ahead and core the centre out of each cupcake. The more you take out, the more of the Biscoff filling you'll have, but you don't want to get rid of it all completely. You still want a little bit of sponge at the bottom. So I like to take about 3/4 of the sponge away in the centre, and then just fill it with some Biscoff spread. For texture, and it's the only Biscoff spread I had in the house, I chose the chunky or the one with lumps. Then pipe your cheesecake icing on top of each cupcake. It doesn't need to be perfect, as we're going to top it with some Biscoff spread that's been slightly melted. Then put a biscuit on top of each, so if it's not perfect you'll be able to smooth it out later on. Once you've got the Biscoff icing on, you can then go ahead and sprinkle over some Biscoff spread that's been warmed up. Then go ahead, top that with a biscuit, and you are good to go. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.